Guys, I'm back. I've got this tire pulled off of this Suburban that we're working on here. And as you can see, the inside of the tire just soaking wet. So that tells me we've either got a line broke, or we've got a bleeder valve that somebody failed to tighten up. So we're going to dig in a little deeper here. Let's walk over here right quick and let's see what we can see. I've got to, let me see if I can get us a light. Of course, there may be a light here somewhere. This light. And see if we can figure out what in the heck is going on. So I'll tell you, kind of been a busy morning for me. I don't know about you guys. Just kind of motivating around here a little. Got another lady called this morning. She wanted to know if I could do a, give me a break there a second, guys. She wanted to know if I could do a alignment job for her. Man, I wish I could. I wish I had the equipment for that, but I don't do alignments. But I really would like to know where all this fluid's coming from. We gotta find it so we can help these folks out. As you can see, folks, we are losing lots of fluid out of this. It looks like we have got a bad caliper here. I'm going to say that's probably what it is, because we got fluid just pouring out of this thing. But yeah, I think we're going to have us a caliper. As you can see, we've got all this brake fluid coming out, and I mean, it's dripping on me right now. And the bleeder valve, I'm trying to see where it's at. It's up on top, so it's not the bleeder valve, it's the brake caliper. So that is what we're gonna have to go get. So go give the neighbors some bad news where they can hate me a little bit more. No, I'm just kidding. They don't hate me. They trust me, and you know, it's a good thing to be trusted. I just wished it wasn't this problem we're having, but that's what it is. So guys, this will be the starting of it. So I'm gonna hush up, and we'll talk at you later, and let's see if we can go get us a brake caliper. Thank you, guys.